What's up, guys? This is day 5 of the top and bottom ticking boot camp. Today, I'm going to tell you guys how to wait out your limits and stop getting fucking stopped out 100 times before you catch a win. So, I risk maximum $300 a day, whether that be 2 or 3 trades. But I'm not limiting every fucking deviation and getting stopped out every time like a lot of people are. I know top and bottom ticker. I mean, they still make money, but you're making less money because you're getting those little $100 losses, and they just add up. So, um, this is how you don't get stopped out every fucking second. All right, you're going to get on the charts at 9:20 a.m., 10 minutes before market open, and you're gonna look out for your levels. So you're gonna look for like high time frame PD arrays where you think price is gonna trend to, lows you want to get taken out. Identify a draw. Identify where we have to AMD into to distribute to the draw, and mark out 1 or 2 levels. So if you're looking short, you mark out like, matter of fact, one fucking level. You're marking out one level short, and you're saying, all right, I'm not taking a trade unless it hits this level. I'm setting a limit here right now. And then if it hits that level and stops you out, you can look for a re-entry on maybe like a sweep or something. But you're not chasing a trade. And the key to actually stand on that and not actually do it is you have to deadass just doom scroll on your phone, or like do anything, bro. Just walk away, set an alert at like a near high. So like today I was in school and I took these shorts at 9:52. Um, but I had this level marked out at New York AM. I said I want to sweep these highs. Um, I want to sweep these highs, and then I want to go take out these lows. That's not what happened, but my level did print for me today. Um, but if I was watching the charts and I saw price was accumulating here and then we manipulated up, I would have probably FOMO'd in right here and took like a trade somewhere here and gotten stopped out. So I literally just hopped off the charts, set my limit, and then I had an alert at like this right here. Or no, I had it at this high. I just set alert like that, and then when the alert gets hit, I'll just open up my laptop and just watch my limit get tapped into, and manage it or whatever. But yeah, you have to just not look at charts. You find 1 or 2 levels max, in one direction, and you take the trade when the level gets hit. If it doesn't get hit, you don't take a trade for that session at least. And yeah, my strategy works in all sessions. You guys don't even know my full strategy. Only my mentorship does, but it does work in every session. There's probably like 15 trades a day. So, my students, if you're watching this, you can wait for another session, or get off and then hop back on at another liquidity injection point. But yeah, so this is the trade I took today, and that's exactly how I didn't get stopped out 100 times going up to it. Like, these were probably all good levels that got these reactions, but it wouldn't have hit full TP. So you have to wait out your most premium level, and once you have that set level, you set an alert, you hop off the charts, and you wait for it to get close to it. Then you can hop on and look, and you just sit on your fucking hands and don't do anything. That's the biggest part of trading. Um, I would have cut down, like, if I took all those, I would have been down like 500 when I took that win. So like, you just have to you have to identify what's happening, even draw it out or write it out, because your mind will try to play tricks on you. So you could run a little one of these, like put what you want to happen, and then like tap it into your level and then reject, and then that's either going to happen or it's not. Whatever happens, and you don't care about the outcome. You just do what you know you need to do every day, and don't care about the outcome. And once you do what you need to do every day, the outcome will just come, and it'll feel a lot better because you weren't stressing about it the whole time. It just comes, and you just feel like the fucking goat. So yeah, don't limit or don't chase trades with top ticking, because high RR, it's very easy to, you're like, oh, I have a 5 point stop, it's not that big of a deal, if I lose I don't really care, but they definitely add up. So you have to make sure you're picking out the best trade possible. I just dropped a recap for this level in my mentorship. I'll put the link in the caption. But full daily calls every day, Q&As. You guys ask me anything, I answer it. Then we also have uh, probably over 20 videos of my strategy in depth and counting. I'm still making more. And then we have trade recaps. Every trade that I take that hits or break even, I recap. And then we have a community, like a very good community. Everyone's calling levels in there every day, top and bottom ticking. So it's great. It's 50% off right now, by the way, with code 50 in all caps. Um, it's going to end this weekend. So it's only on the lifetime plan. So I will, yeah, I think that's it. And I'll see you guys in the next one, and God bless.